Hi there, mine. So this is not a tutorial. This is basically just a message for you guys. So I would like to tell you that now I am present on Buy Me a Coffee. So what is this Buy Me a Coffee? Buy Me a Coffee is a donation program, and you can donate to me over here. So if you find my content helpful and it helps you to create apps, or it helps you to learn anything, then consider buying me a pizza. It would only cost you $5, and which would be around 350 rupees. And Here are all my posts which you can get access to for free, because I believe in sharing my knowledge for free. So you can surely get me a pizza if again, if you are interested and if you find my content helpful. And in this section you can find the source codes for the applications which I will be creating. So as of now, I have only shown you how to create a, a, a currency converter app in Android Studio, and you can purchase the source code here in case you have any doubts. And if you are not able to create the application, or it is not giving you the desired result, you may buy this source code and tally and check your mistake, or you may re-watch the video. And now soon I will start work on a CRUD application with PHP and MySQL databases. So stay tuned. And before going, I would like to tell you that I have a target of $250. So why should you donate here? You can donate here so that I can buy some resources like get a screen recorder or get the Unity editor. And with a screen recorder, I would be able to uh, show you some more. I would be able to deliver high quality and better videos. And with the Unity editor, I will be able to show you how you can create games. So it's exciting, right? But I would require your support. So consider supporting me if you find this channel helpful at all. Till then, it's me. Bye.